Welcome to World Immigration News by Irfan. President of the Portugal once again talked with media person. He was in a session. One media person asked, "This is the second time President of the Portugal gave a statement, and statement was the same which he gave on Sunday, which I recorded one clip, and this is the same statement which 10 days back, 10 days before, 15 days before, I already told you that President of the Portugal desires to open the file lock, and he is telling this file lock is not permanent. He spoke same thing. He's telling my personal wish that file lock opens very soon, and he also told same point. If you will listen 15 days back my point, even on Sunday which I spoke, President spoke same sentence, and he told that I was not in a position to close the file lock permanently. I was convinced. You were talking, if you will listen my clip, I told you someone convinced him. I personally analyze that how president can sign instantly overnight. Someone convinced him, and he spoke same sentence to media person. He told that they convinced me. They mean government convinced me that we are just closing immigration article 88, article 89, just because backlog of application is so much, and huge numbers of applications are in process, and immigration department is not able to handle. Therefore, it's very essential to close a file lock for some time, and it's temporary. It means president only signed when he was convinced this file lock is temporary. And he told a media person that I have same feeling as you are. If you are talking that immigration close and that is little sensitive matter, and I am also thinking this is a sensitive matter. Now 3 statements came from Portugal president. One, when he signed, on next day he spoke that my wish file lock open soon. Number 1. Number 2, on Sunday he talked, no, before Sunday, one consultant went to meet with him. He was in a meeting. He told his assistant, he told that please come on Sunday, I want to talk with you. This is the president who wanted to talk with consultant on file locking. He has personal desire to open file lock, clearly looking. Then he met on Sunday. He told you had same feeling which I have same feeling. Mean president agreed with consultants that file lock is a very important immigration step of Portugal, and it must not be closed permanently. And he assured that file lock, when I was signing, I was convinced only. I signed only this law when I was told that this file lock is temporary. Now next, today, when he was another meeting, media person, he was in a session, a media person talked with him, and he spoke same sentence third time, which he spoke on Sunday, that file lock is temporary. I have same feeling which you had, and it must not remain closed for a long time. But there is a little drawback also, and little negative news which I must share, in which media person asked one question to President of Portugal, that when it will open. We know that you are not in favor of closing locking of the file, expression of interest for long time or permanently, but our question is little different. When you think it will open, because you are the president of the country and you may have information. He told straightforward, I don't know, but my wish, I don't know it will open tomorrow, after 1 month, after 1 year, I don't know, I can't say this thing. This is a little negative news. Now I will give you answer of this, why president speak these sentences. I will analyze in next 2-3 minutes. But president told, this is not my wish file lock must open instantly, and my wish that file lock expression of interest closing is not in favor of Portugal. And he told my signing in this law was only according to agreement that it will not remain closed for a long time. Now my clip, in which some 15 days back I was telling all things will be strict with the backlog of applications, because these sentences were being spoken to president to convince him, and that's why he was convinced to sign, in which he was told that when backlog will down, mean that when number of migrants application will down from 600,000 to 100,000, automatically we will unlocking of the file. So status is clear, status is very clear, and we all know the situation that president is not the government. Government won by election, one prime minister is selected, he made his own ministers, and of course whenever they will make law, the president will sign. In this, on this occasion of closing expression of interest, the president was taken confidence that when backlog will close, now president openly speaking these sentences. Why president is compelled to talk deliberately with consultants, media person, and he is telling, please give me time, I will talk with about on file lock. When consultants went to meet on 2 days before Sunday, he told assistant that tell these consultants, legal consultants, I would like to talk with them on locking a file. Today he talked with media person. After signing on this law, he spoke on the next day 3 times, 4 times he spoke, and he spoke clearly, my wishes are same as you are wishing. I don't want to close this immigration permanently. This is the beauty of Portugal, that immigrants come by this way. By this way mean Article 88 and Article 89, because a lot of people are able to approach Portugal by this way. Otherwise, other visas D1 to D9, they looked difficult. Embassies assessments are very difficult. In this way, by this way, if you have any Schengen visa, visit visa of any other country, you can reach there, you can go there by easily, by legal way. Even illegals were also being entertained, which is little wrong. Closing of illegals never matter. Now president spoke one sentence which I want to analyze, that he told that I don't know, my wish is that it must open, and he spoke 3-4 times, but he told to media same point, sensitive point, which I was also observing, that he wished to open locking of the file, but he can't. Technically, he don't want that it must not open. He want to open immigration today, but he cannot open. Reason he cleared, I don't know when it will open, tomorrow, after 1 month, after 1 year, after 2 years. He is giving statements again and again that it must not close permanently. I think he is giving message to government as well, that you people promised that when backlog will finish and that you will open. Therefore he is giving statements that government open. President, now legal point is that president cannot open immigration of Article 88, Article 89, because he is the president. He can only approve or disapprove the law which is sent by the government. So government will not make the law until discussion with the parliament. So it's government decision to on the immigration. I think they will be in touch with president and will justify that why they are not opening, and when they will open. Hopefully things will come out, but some things are coming out. President's statements are very hopeful, optimistic, and he is the president. And of course government is also thinking when backlog will clear, so that they will announce immigration plan, mean file lock will open with new plans, and all are waiting. We are waiting. I will keep updating you. Thank you very much.